Okay, so I would request online team to just now I paste one link. Could you please check it out? And please check, are you guys are into the Google Classroom, yes or not? Just give a quick confirmations from you, everyone. Still, if you have any issues, please let me know, okay? And you might see the code here, the class code, all right? And the moment when you, yes, sir, join, cool, good. Everyone, please join in the meantime before I start the session. Yeah, before I start the sessions, please join. And you can find out the link which I posted yesterday, the drive. Okay. All right. So can anyone tell me what is the difference between data type and data structures? Anyone? Anyone, guys? Online team? Yeah, you can post your answer. You can post your answer, online team. You can post your answer. Okay, let's start. Okay, so the first thing, yeah. So yesterday we completed data types. What are the data types we have? Lot of but mostly we use integer, float, complex, string, and bool, all those things, right, guys? So now let me give you a, see, you see many books, data types, data structures, many of them explain in different ways, isn't it? Lot of people explain different way, but I'll teach you the very best way how to remember the data types, how to remember the data structures, and how to remember the metrics. Understand? So now I'll give you one small example, value which specifies variables in data type. Let me ask this one. A equals to 5, B equals to 5, comma, pre, comma, 0, comma, Naresh, and C equals to, this is a table, number of rows and number of columns, isn't it? Online, can you hear me and you can see the screen? Okay. Now, 3 identifiers I assigned here. One is A, one is B, and one is C. Now I'll ask simple questions. In organizations, means in company, all right, in organizations, what kind of information is available? A, B, C. C, right? Number of rows and columns, isn't it? So A is called, which is data type, which is data structures, which is matrix. Anyone? A is data type, B is data structures, and C is matrix. Clear, everyone? So the difference between, so what is data structures, guys? So the data structures, can I say it is a collections of data types, right? In data types, you can pass only one parameters, isn't it? Yes or not? But in data structures, you can pass many, okay, more than one, many parameters. Agree or not? Yes, clear? Online team, are you guys clear or not? What is matrix? What is matrix? Matrix is the collections of rows and columns. Yeah, it's, you will get a tabular format data, tabular format of the data. Understand or not? Clear this one? Online team, are you guys clear? Yes, you get rows and columns. Good. Now let's talk about another topic. So I hope you understand what is data type, what is data structures. So now, yesterday we saw what are the data types: integer, float, string, complex, bool, and that's it. Today, we will see data structures. What are the data structures we have? In interview, if someone asks you difference between data type and data structures, list, tuple, and what set, dictionary, and frozen set. Yeah. In data science, machine learning, we're going to use these data structures largely. Understand? So if you understand these things, then quite good enough. All right, guys. And also we talk about range. Clear, guys, what I'm saying? Now let's talk about first data structures today. What is list? Let's understand what is list. Clear, please. Yes. Okay. Now let's go back to the work. So the first point, list denotes as square bracket. Okay. List denote as square bracket. So when I say type of list, what I should get output? Empty list. Did you see? Type of list I will get empty list. Clear or not? Now, when I execute L, I create an empty square bracket and I identify the square bracket, empty square bracket as L, right? L means list. When I call the L, what should be the output I'll get? What should be the output, guys? Online team? What should be the output I'm going to get now? Empty list, correct? Now, I just wanted to say L dot append 10, okay? L dot append means what? What is meant by append? Add, yeah? So let me tell you, this is empty list over here. I wanted to add L dot append 10 and append 20, append 30, append 10, yeah? So when I execute L, what is the output I'll get now? 10 two times I have here, 10 duplicate. Can I get duplicate values or only one time? Everybody's understand or not what I'm saying? So L, when I execute this one, so 10, 20, 30, 10. Understand? Understand, guys? So this is empty list here. And the moment when I add all the parameters, yeah. So now this is a data type or data structures. This is a data structure. So let me write down here. Let me make some Excel sheets. Do I create it? Yeah. The first one is called list. Please explain one more time. Okay, Bitin, listen very carefully. Are you okay? You have proper net connections or not? Do you have proper net connections? Yeah. So let me tell you, buddy, the first thing is list denotes as, one moment. Yeah, the first one, the point one, the list denotes as square bracket. Okay. Now, type of L, it is a list. So when I call L, definitely I get a empty list, correct? So at this, no values assigned here, and I wanted to add L dot append 10 and L dot append 20 and L dot append 30 and L dot append 10. I just wanted to append all these values. Yes. So definitely when I execute this one, I got the value as 10, 20, 30, 10. So duplicates are allowed or not allowed? Duplicates are allowed or not allowed, please? So here, duplicates are allowed. Clear? Duplicates are allowed. Understand? In list data structures, the two pointers, because in interview, whenever you give, they'll ask what is the difference between list and tuple. Yeah. What is the difference between list and tuple? These are some basic interview questions, list versus tuple, right? So when I explain these pointers, if you remember these pointers, it's good to go. Understand? Yes, guys. So duplicates are allowed in the list. Now print L, what is the output? Print L, what is the output I'm going to get now? Same. See, Chandrahas, don't think too much. Group of dictionary is tuple. I mean, it's completely wrong statement. Do not overthink. Dictionary is different, tuple is different. Just follow me what I'm saying. Clear or not? Yes, Chandrahas? All right, so print L means 10, 20, 30, 10. Clear? Now, 10, 20, 30, is this integer data type? Correct or not? Is this integer data type? Now, I wanted to append multiple data types means what? Let's say string, I wanted to append, and float and bool. Can I do this? Let's check it. L dot append mx, it is a string. L dot append float, L dot append bool. Now, when I execute L, do you think, guys, multiple data types also allowed in list data structures? Agree? Everybody's agree? So can I mention another pointer? The third point is multiple data types are allowed. Clear or not? Allowed. Now let's go back to the fourth point. Now L. So I wanted to remove a L. See, L dot remove. Online team, are you able to understand or not understand? If you do not understand, please post your questions, guys. Do not raise your hands. I humble request to online students. Please do not raise your hands. Post your questions because frequently I'm seeing the chat window. All right. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Yes, Bitin. Bitin, are you understand or not? So L dot remove AMX. Now let's check run. Oh, it's already a run first time. Let's check. Do you see? It's removed or not? So we can remove from list structure. Correct? The video was stuck. If the video was stuck, it's not my mistake, buddy. You have to check your net connections. All right. So that's why I would humble request, if you are a non-technical, why we talk about linear and non-linear? Why we talk about linear? Where exactly this terms comes from? If I talk about batting, you talk about football, goal. It's not interlinked with each other. Yes, Chandrash? Understand or all these things? Yeah, why throw error? Because 2 times I deleted. So I have only one time, right? So first time I deleted and by mistake I execute second time, Archana. That's why it's throwing error. Chandrahas, are you understand or not? Why we talk about linear and non-linear? What is meant by why the concept is introduced here? It's not make sense. Understand? I'm talking about cricket and you're talking about football. Is it a correlate with each other? No, right? That's what I'm saying. Don't think too much. Just follow me what I'm saying. Clear? Because in interview, if someone asks you what is the difference between list and tuple, if you say linear list, non-linear list, it's not make sense. Okay, that's fine. All right. So now remove is we can remove from list, correct? Now the next topic, oops, this is, yeah. Now let's talk about run this one. Now, do you remember, guys, I gave you one book yesterday. Python index begins from? Python indexing begins from 0 on 1. Now, let me please listen very carefully. Yeah, 0, right? Now, 0, 1, Control G, Control G, Control Y. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I take 0, 1 becomes 0, 2 becomes 1, 3 becomes 2, and 4 becomes 3. So here, n becomes n minus 1. Agree? Yes or not? So n becomes n minus 1. So here, let's close this one. Let me tell you, this would be my 0th index, first index, second index, third index, fourth index, and fifth index. Understand or not? Understand? Now, can you please give me the output L of fourth index? What is the output? What is the output L of fourth index? Let's check. Close this one. Fourth index becomes 8.0, correct? Now, can you answer me what is list of third index? What is list of third index? 10. What is list of third index, guys? Let's run 10, sorry. It's L means all of the, whatever the values I assigned to here, correct? Now, tell me a list of eighth index, what is the output? So I have 0th index, first index, second, third, fourth, fifth, right? So let me execute this one. Let me execute this one. Definitely list index is out of range, of course, because we assigned till fifth index and we mentioned given the output for eighth index, which is not in the range. Yeah, which is not in the range. So that's why we got output as list index is out of range. Now let's talk about L. Now what we called, can we call this is forward indexing? Can we call this is forward indexing? Do you remember I shared the book to you yesterday? Just one moment. Yeah, so it's number 19. Just give a second. I shared this book to you. Are you started working on it, guys? Yeah. Did you see in the page number 9, forward indexing? Yeah. When forward indexing starts from 0, backward indexing does not start from 0. So let me write down here. So that let me write down here. Forward indexing start from 0 and backward does not, backward indexing does not start from 0. It start from -1. Yeah, we start from -1. Yeah, Abhishek, I shared, but your email is not enrolled in the classroom. So today I shared the link. Can you please join this link, everyone, so that you can join to the classroom? Please, you can do it, Abhishek. Understood? Clear. Now, I hope you understand. Now, can you please answer me? Okay. Now, list. This is what list. List of -1. What is output? Not able to open the book. That is WinRAR file. That is WinRAR file. You have to download WinZip and then extract it. Okay. Yeah. Wait. I'm just kidding. L of -1. What is the output, guys? None. Right? None means what? Nothing. So that's why we got output as nothing. Yeah. List of -2. What is the output? List of -2. 8.0. Yeah. 8.0. Today I wanted to introduce slice. Did you see this one? What we call this one, guys? This is called as a slice. Yeah. Introduced to the slicing. This is called slicing. In machine learning, we are use this indexing. We are used indexing heavily. Yeah, we are use indexing heavily. Understand, guys? This is called slice. This is called slice. So now list 10, 20, 30, 10, 8.0 none. Yes. So when I execute slice, can I get same value whatever we get here? Can I get the same value list of all the structures we're getting? How is 8.0? Chandrahash? Okay. Now let me tell you. So let me tell you, this is -1, this is -2, this is -3, this is -4, -5, and -6. Now list of -2, 8.0. Are you understand, buddy? Are you understand, Chandrahash? Just few questions. Backward, are you going? Of course, man, backward I'm going. That's what -1 means, backward. Just now I explained. Yes, Chandrahash. All right, guys. See, just now I talk about this one, right? This is backward indexing. The backward, you're getting -1, -2, -3. Agree or not agree? The forward 0, backward do not count as 0. Clear or not? Everybody's clear? Yeah. It's not that you have to understand on sessions. Lot of your questions you can clear while you practice yourself. Clear? Okay, at this moment, if you have some of doubts, no need to worry. I'll share this tomorrow. You work on the weekend and a lot of questions would be clear. Now, anyone tell me, list print the output from second index to fourth index. What exactly I'm saying? What exactly I'm saying? Print the index from second index to fourth index. What is the output? 3010, 3010, 8.0 and none. What is the output? Okay, let me write down here. This would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Now tell me what's the output, guys. Let's check this one. Run. 3010. Please come in. So you know, guys, why it happened? Anyone? N-1 formula. Just now I mentioned, right? See, the N flow doesn't work. Chandrahash, do one thing. Write down all of your questions. Whatever I'm explaining, you're not listening to me. Whatever explained the last step, you start to question yourself. Understand? I cannot answer all of your questions because time is value for me. Understand, buddy? As I just now you said exactly a lot of your questions. Why not you try on your lappy, isn't it? Understand, buddy? Crystal clear. I'm saying again. Flow doesn't work, definitely. Okay. So here, let's close all these things. Clear, buddy? So 2:4, because just now I mentioned, I have slice over here. A is to B. B always become B minus 1. Understand? Let me tell you, A comma B, do not implement this formula over here. Make sense? Understand or not? When you have two slice over here, then you're going to implement this B minus 1 formula. When you have comma, you can't do this. Clear, buddy, what I'm saying? Understood? Yeah. You are correct, man. You are correct. All right. That's okay. Now let's talk about L. Now give me the answer. 2:6. Are you able to see this? Or you just go somewhere around here? 2:6. What is the output? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30 to none, you guys are saying? Am I correct? Online team, what you're saying? Yes, Abhishek. So let's run it. So kernel, I'm sorry. Let's close this one. Let's run. 30, 10, 8.0 and none, because 6 becomes 6 minus 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I'm sorry, 5, 6. There is 6 minus 1 become 5, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. Now let me talk about 5. What is the output? 2:5. 30, 10, 8.0. Now you got the logic? Yes. Now let's talk about L. 2:4. 2:4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me execute 30, 10. Understand or not? Everybody's clear, because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm saying print the output from second index to fourth index. So 30, 10, 8.0. But as I just now I mentioned the formula, 0 becomes 1. For example, 1 means 0, 2 means 1, 3 means 2, 4 means 3. So here, if I count from 1, isn't it? So this 30 become 1 and this become 2 and here goes on. I hope n becomes, yeah, got it now. Now list of L. Now let me tell you very important topic. So just let me write down the points over here. So duplicates, slicing is allowed or not? Slicing is allowed in list. Yes, guys. 5th, slicing is allowed. Now let's go back to the 6th point. See, the same way I'm explaining Python, the same way I'll explain statistics, the same way I'll explain machine learning. When I talk about from next week onwards, I'm going to start explaining NumPy, metrics, a little bit more visualizations. I want everybody to work in the sessions. Okay, you can open and start working right now, because offline, online, you guys can see me, but they can't see me, right? So I have to make a workshop together. You and we both work together. Let's see what kind of visualizations you get it clear, as this is quite interesting. And I hope when you practice, things should be more clear. Understand, guys? Now let's talk about what is zero index. 10. Now I wanted to change 10 to 1000. Is it possible? Let's see. I have 10 index. I wanted to change 0, 10 to 1000. So let me check. When I execute L, are you understand online team? So 30, 10, 8, none. So this would be 0th index. This would be first index. This would be second, third, fourth, and fifth. I'm saying L of 0 is 10. This is what 0, 10. I wanted to change 10 to 1000. I wanted to change 10 to 1000. And I want to change, let's copy, paste, and first index to 2000. L of what is the first index? 20. And again, I wanted to change, just copy and paste over here, 1 and 2000. Now let's done. Let's done. What is the output I'm going to get now? 1000, 2000, 30, 10, 8.0 none, isn't it, guys? So this concept is called mutable. So list is mutable. So what is meant by mutable? So interview, they will ask what is meant by mutable and immutable, right? So interview question is, they will ask what is the difference between mutable and immutable. Understand or not? Mutable and immutable. Clear? Now we understand mutable. Let's understand what is meant by immutable. What is meant by mutable? Once you define the variable, you can change that, correct? List is mutable, right? I hope you understand. See, there is a very important topic I wanted to explain you. I will say list, okay, and to, okay. See, the slice before and after. Yep, guys. So I'm saying print the output from second index. So let's talk about what is meant by empty slice. What's meant by empty slice? All values would be displayed. Online team, are you understand, buddy? Now, when I say list of, let's copy this one, and 4. Okay. Now, what is the output I'll get now? Question line number 119. What is the value? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the value? What is the output? Yeah. So here, let's close this one. Let's run it. 8.0 none. Agree or not? Agree or not, everyone? Yes, Abhishek, that's right. What about others? Akash, are you able to understand? Hemant, Abdul, Avilasha, Abhishek, Akansh, Ankush, Archana, Argha, Arvind, Ashish, Ashok, Malik, Vishwal, Vitin, Chandramoli, Drakshayani, Gaurav, Gautam, Kaushik, everyone, guys. Ramya, Rihan, Rohan, Ajad, Subham, Sunita, all of them. Uday, Washim, Jades. Are you guys are clear, right? Thanks. So now let's go back to this one. So let's catch the logic. The slicing after the number. Let me add the before the number. What difference you got? Now, can you understand? Give me the output. Print the value till 4th index. Print the value till 4th index. What is the output? 1000 to online team. 1000 to 10. Perfect. You got this right? 1000 to 10. Now let's check list. I wanted to change. No, sir, you just talk about only integer. Can I change integer to string? Is it possible? Let's see. List of first index. I just wanted to change 1000 to string. Yes. First index is 7th. Excellent. I hope you understand. List is mutable, correct or not, guys? So that's why I mentioned slicing is allowed. Slicing is allowed. Understand? Now give me the answer of 124 line number. Print the output from second index to -2. Just wait. Let me write down here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is forward indexing, and the backward -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Give me the output. Give me the output, guys. Think and answer. 30. Answer is 30. What is output? Do you know? Understand? You able to understand? Yeah. Let's run this one. 30 and 10. Yes, guys. How? Let me explain you right now. Yeah. Sinduri, understand? Now let's do this. I'm saying print the output from second 0, 1. So 30 is printed over here, right? And -1, -2. Only two values are there. Correct or not? Yes, got it. Now let's talk about, let's add this one, copy and 0. Okay, what is out? What is output? 10073010. Understand? Got it? Because it is backward indexing. So online team, no need to worry. I will share this, all those things by tomorrow. Okay. Index 2, 0, index 2, -1. What is output for this one? 1000 to 8.0. Perfect. Yeah. List of empty slice. You understand? I mean, the quite basic one. List is this one, and slicing operator. Yeah. I hope this is crystal clear, guys. Run list. List is empty. Slicing means it display all the values. -1. What is the output? None. -2, 8.0. Okay. Again, the same things I keep on repeating, but let's understand another one. Okay, now let's say you saw the advanced slicing. Let me introduce the advanced slicing. Okay, so we understand single slice. What happen if I apply two slice over here? What happen if we apply two slice over here? So two slice -1. What is the output? Online. Let's check this one. This has been reverse order. Did you check this one? None. 8.0, 10, 30, 7, and 1000. Understand? Start, stop, step. No, that's different concepts, Washim. That's different concepts. This is different concepts. Understand? I'll get back to the concept. Yes, Washim. That's call about range, and we're going to see that. Yeah, Washim. I hope you understand. Yep. So I hope you understand, guys, what exactly mean by -1. Let's check this. Can you answer this one? Wait. Let's talk about L. Yeah, just give me the answer of this one. Reverts the value. What is the output then? Give me the output. 8.02,000. Online team, are you understand, everyone? What is the output? Can you please quick response? Till 8.02,000. Let's check this one. But I got this one, guys. Or everyone is wrong then. So your logic is wrong. Now you got it, what logic they've been implement here. So first thing is, just catch this, guys. This is L. Yeah, reversing order. First is printed, none. Then two step, 1, 2, then 10 is printed. Then two step, 1, 2, then 7 is printed. Understand or not? Now you got it. Now you got the logic. Yes, online team. Sushma, you understand? Abhishek, clear or not? This is advanced slicing, guys. Okay. Yeah. So now let's understand this one. Close it. What about this one? -3. What is the output -3? Yeah, Shiva, 1 second. I'll tell you once again. Good. Now you got it, right? See, buddy, online, let me repeat again. So this is the list data structures we have. And if I wanted to reverse the list data structures, 2 slice and then -1. 2 slice and then -1, then you get a reverse order. When I say -2, okay, let's see. When you do -2, the first thing is 2 slicing, right? It will print none as print here, -1, -2, then 10 is print here, -1, -2, then 7, because you have to eliminate the parameter from backward indexing. Got it? When we use negative, it means it's backward indexing. Yes, Shiva. So no need to worry, guys. When I shared this practical task, you're going to understand yourself. No need to worry. Okay. Clear? Let's get back to the another one. The list. This is now quite normal. Now you guys get it, right? Did you learn all these things in Python courses? No, right? Yeah. Now L. Talk about this one. What is the output for this one? Give me the answer. 1000 to 8.0. Perfect. 1000 to 8.0, because I'm saying the slice is front end. So I mean in front. So I'm saying print the output till -1. So print the output till -1. Correct? Agree or not? Yeah. So what happened if I change this value? Let's copy this one and add here. And let's talk about what output I'll get here. None. Correct? Understand or not? Let's check about list here. Print the value from -1. So definitely I get output as none. Clear or not? Clear or not, everyone? Offline team clear, guys? All non-technical students, yeah? Yeah. Now I wanted to remove 8.0. Is this possible? Yes, it is possible. I already told you. And yes, L dot remove 7, possible. Now what is L -1? None. And this is quite normal now. I hope you got the logic. So L -3, 1000. Yes, because -1, -2, -3. Print the value till -3. Did you see this, guys? List is 1000, 30, 10, none. Okay, and slice -3. Why I'm talking about these things, guys? Because in machine learning, we have a data. Let me tell you why I'm teaching you this one. In the data set, this is called data set. Let's talk about, this is called data set, right? In the data sets, let's say I have few variable A, B, C. Okay. 2, 3 is 5. What is the relationship? What model I built? The model is positive. Correct or not? What model is this? This is the additions model. I train my machine with 2, 3, 5 attributes. I build the logic plus. When I apply this logic in the front end, you can deploy this model. I talk about later part. So at this moment, if this is independent variable, this is dependent. I have to split this variable. To split this variable, I need the slicing in part. Okay. So this is very important, guys. I want you to please remember all those things, correct? Now this is quite straightforward now. This is all about list data structures. I hope you guys understand what exactly list is growable or not. List is growable or not. So the indexing is allowed or not in list. In list, the indexing is allowed or not, online team? It is, indexing is allowed in list. Anyone asks you what is meant by list, you have to explain these 7 points. That's it. Clear? Everybody's clear, guys? What exactly mean by list? Can we go ahead for tuple? Can we go ahead for tuple? This is the data structures one. Clear? So list denotes as square brackets. duplicates are allowed, multiple data types are allowed, we can remove from list, and slicing is allowed, and list is mutable, and index is also allowed. Clear or not? Now let's go back to the tuple data structures. Okay. Now, do you want me to save this or not required? Yeah. Let me save this. Okay, later part. Clear online team? Everybody's clear online, guys? Yeah. Okay, let's go back to the tuple. Let's go back to the tuple. See, people called as tuple, people called as tuple. Yeah, different pronunciation. Some of them call as tuple, some of them called as tuple. Okay, but both are same. All right, guys. So here, the first thing, tuples denotes as open brackets. Understand? The tuples denotes as open bracket, list and close with square bracket. These are the data structures. What is difference between data type and data structures? In data type, you can assign only one value. Understand? In data structures, you can assign more than one value. Don't you think you assign more than one value? Isn't it, guys? So this is all about list and close with square brackets and tuples and close with open brackets. Clear? Now let me run. So let's check this. When I execute L, it's a list or tuple. It's a list or tuple when I execute L. I'm sorry. This is a list, right? When I execute T, it is tuple or list? Tuple. Got it? Yep. So now let's say this. Yeah, I will save. Right. Now I'll create another identifier called T1 list. Can we assign multiple data types in list data structures? Can we do it, guys? In tuple also we can assign multiple data types. Did you see this 10 integer, string, bool, float, and integer? So duplicates 10 is 2 times I mentioned here. Guys, 10 I mentioned 2 times. Can I get error or I'll get output? Output. Let's see this. 10 mx true, 5.8 and 10. Clear? So now what exactly I'll write down here? Tuple denotes as open brackets, right? Duplicates are allowed or not? Duplicates are allowed. See this? So let's copy and let's paste over here, right? Multiple types are allowed or not? Allowed. Let's copy and paste here. Now let's talk about this one. What is T1 of first index, guys? T1 of 0 means what? First index, yes. So T1 of 0 index means 10. Let's do this. I wanted to change 10 to 20. Is this possible? Let's check this. No, tuple object does not support item assignment. Understand, guys? So this is what we called as tuple is immutable. Tuple is immutable. Difference between mutable and immutable is once you assign the value, you cannot change it. You cannot change it. For example, where exactly real time we've been applied? Aadhaar card, PAN card, right? So PAN card is, it will keep changing or it's constant, guys. So once they assigned the square brackets, let's say CIZPS double G, this is PAN card number or Aadhaar card 12-digit number. When they assigned with open bracket, no one can change this. Understand or not? So tuple been used in real time. You guys are entry, ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank. They have some developers, right? So they assigned your these numbers, government numbers into tuple. Clear? Everybody's clear? Understand? So tuple is immutable. Now let's talk about T1, 10 mx true, 5.8 10. Online, are you there? Yes, guys, are you understand or not? Yes, Sushma, Pratyusha. Now let's talk about T1. Okay. Now I wanted to say T1 of 0 index to 20. Possible or not possible? Possible or not possible? Not possible. Let's run this one. Yeah, does not support item assignment. Can you give me the output of T1 of 0 index to third index? What is the output? (10mx) true, right? 10 to 5.0 third index, buddy. Let's check this. I think you not use the formula. Let's run this one. 10mx true because third becomes third 3 minus 1, which is 2. 0, 1, 2, right? So we got the output. Correct or not? Agree? Let's close this one. Okay, T1 of 0 is to 4. What is this, guys? T1 of 0 is to 4. Right, you got it. 4 minus 1 means 3. So here 0, 1, 2, 3 till 5.8, you go output. Clear? Yes or not? Now let's talk about this one, T1 and T, right? As tuple is mutable or immutable? Immutable. List is mutable. Now T of 0th index is what? 10. Let's talk about L. You know, in list append is working or not, guys? In list append is working. Yes, online team. In list the append is working. Yes. Now I wanted to add L dot append 50. I wanted to add L dot append 50. Let's run this one. L. Yeah, 50 is added. I wanted to change 10 to 50, 10 to 30. This is mutable as we see this one. So the append function is working over here, correct or not? L dot append 60, L. Yes, I hope you understand. Now list has, can you print the output till 10th index? Catch this line 184. Catch this line 184. What is the output? Error or output? Everybody say error. I'm saying print the output till 10th index. Print the output till 10th index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 to 60. So let's check this one. Mohammed said error. Let me check. Run. You got your entire value, right? 10 to 60. Nobody, this is not out of index. Okay, this is not out of index. When you get out of index, let's copy this. And I'm saying this slice, if I keep as a back, now let's check this. And this is not an error, but you got empty. This is not make sense because we don't have 10th index. That's why we get output as empty list. Clear or not? Everybody's clear? Yeah, I hope this is all crystal clear. List of -2, what is the value? What is the output of this one? -2. I use only single slice, not double slice. Don't confuse with single and double slice, guys. 30, 20, 30, 40. Clear or not? 30, 20, 30, 40. This is -1. This is -2. Yes. This is -1. This is -2. Clear, guys? Now, I hope you done this one. This is, you can make things. Now let's go back to the tuple. Tuple, as you mentioned this one, T of 0. I mean, tuple is immutable, as I already mentioned, right, guys? Now, append is working in list. Can we check append is work in tuples or not? Let's check this. T1 has multiple data types I can allow in T1. Let's talk about T. T dot append 50. Can I get output? Yes, Akansh, in tuple, when I parsing the values, then I used open bracket. Yes, Akansha. So if you do this one, let's say tuple, when I add this one, let's open bracket. Yeah, let's check this one. You get error. Tuple object is not callable. So these things I want you to require practice. Understand? So did you see the difference between when you used, this is the, this you can call the individual value, individual indexing. That's what you have to call as a square brackets. Yes, Akansh, I hope you understand, Akansha. Yeah. Now T dot append 50. Let's run this one. Tuple object has not attribute called. Yeah. Understand guys what exactly I'm saying? Yes or not? Now let's talk about, so let me write down here. Tuple is immutable. Slicing is allowed. Yes. Slicing is allowed. Append is working or not? No. So here I think I forgot to add 1.8. Append is not allowed, right? I'm sorry. Yeah. Let's talk about this one. All right. Append is not allowed. So what is allowed over here then? Let's talk about add. T.add 50. Let's run. Tuple object, no attribute add also. Did you see guys? Because once you assigned your Aadhaar card, nobody, even though you cannot add single number, correct? So append and add also you cannot add. Once you assigned, that's it. It's assigned. You cannot add, but you can remove. Isn't it? You cannot add, but you can remove. So here, let me write down here, append and add is not allowed in tuple data structures. Yes, Washim? Indexing is allowed or not allowed? Indexing is not allowed. Right. Now let's get back to t.remove 30. Remove also not allowed. Understand or not? Yes, guys? Remove also not allowed. That's why we called as append and remove also not allowed in list. I'm sorry, tuple data structures. Crystal clear or not? Crystal clear, guys, what I'm saying? Now let's talk about T. Can you give me the answer? This one, 204 lines, T equals to T multiplications 3. What is the output? Everyone, what is the output? Can I get online team? What is the output, guys? 30, 60, 90, and 120. Sinduri said. Okay. Sinduri, just now I mentioned T of 0 cannot change to 20, right? But how do you think, guys, you can change to 30, 60? So let's check this. 3 times same value has been repeated. Yes. Yes, Ajad, I hope you understand, because T of 0 is equals to what? 10, right? And I cannot change T of 0 equals to 30. Then how do you think so it would be changed? I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Agree or not agree? Yes, guys? Yeah. Yeah, this is what. So just now I talk about this one. Let's run. What about this one? T2 equals to, see, this is one identifier. I create another object called T2 equals to T1 into 2. What is output, guys? 2 times the value has repeated. Yep. Now let's see 2 times. Yeah. Correct, guys. Now T3, can I declare list inside tuple? Can I declare list inside tuple? Yes or not? Yes, we can. Let's check T3. Okay. I hope you understand. Let's 213. And I'll tell you one thing. Do you remember yesterday I gave one book? Just open this one. Just open this one. In this one, if you see this, 19, just one moment. Did you see, guys, list chapter 20? Did I share this book? Chapter 20 list. If you complete all these things, no need to ask anyone. Just sit and practice. Open this page number. Okay. Chapter 20 list. Practice by yourself. Any question, ask to Google and you get your answer. Got it, guys? Does not need to ask anyone. Very simple. I explain you the concepts. I explain you the logic. It's just matter of practice yourself. Understand? If you start working like this way, then you can understand the future topics, guys. Clear or not, everyone? Okay, guys. So that's it for today's sessions. Okay. And please enroll. I mean, all of your Gmail ID, please update over here. So I will post all those things by a little bit slow down. I am very slow down, Washim, very slow down. Yeah. Guys, are you understand or not? I'm extremely slow down. If I again slow down, then okay, let me try. Yeah, Washim. Please check your online connections, guys, for online students. And please, I want everyone to please access, get into the classroom. Let me share the link to you. Just one moment here. Are you guys are enrolled to the classroom? Yes or not? I mean, you guys get to the classroom, offline, online, everyone? Yeah, just one moment. Again, I'm posting this one to you. Just bear with me. Where is that? Just 1 second. Any questions, you can post your questions over here. Everyone, online team. Yes. Okay. Mohapatra, so before you ask your questions, because you didn't practice, you raise your hands. That's what, can you please connect your email ID to this classroom? Please do it. And then you can post your questions over here. Definitely, I will get back to you. Understand? Yes, Mohapatra. I hope you understand, guys, what I'm saying. Yeah, you can Sinduri. I didn't get response from support team. Okay, Sinduri, please connect again. Just drop an email message, or else I will check. I will convey this message to them. All right. Yeah, convey the message to them. Clear, guys? And one more thing, see guys, I can take class for 3 hours. We can continue for 10 hours like that. But how much you understand that important, isn't it? Yes. So slow by slow, we will cover all the topics. Make sense? If I talk about machine learning today, so today you understand from here and you left from here. Understand or not? So tomorrow when interview, oh sir, talk about this, but we forgot, isn't it? So no need to worry, just slow down, understand yourself, keep patience, and then we complete. Clear? Thank you. Done for today. We see tomorrow. Yes, Ajat, please practice and let's any questions ask me today. Ask me on classroom. So online team, all 47, are you guys are enrolled to the classroom? I'm Google Classroom. Please do it and you post your questions over here. Ahmad, please post your questions over here. I'll review and get back to you. Please. First you practice, then I'll help you. Definitely. I do understand a lot of questions will clarify after your practice, guys. Clear? Classroom code, just 1 second. Bye. Yeah, thanks. Just one moment. Let's copy and one second. Yeah. Yes, please. Thank you, Pawan. When are we going to recording video? Jaid, again, I'm saying, can you please talk to them? Yes, Ahmad, you got access? Yes, Ahmad. Once show me how to post questions on classroom. Shiva, come on, man. Please check. It's very simple steps. Yes. See, guys, online team, do not worry. You have few questions. I understand. As I didn't solve this one. So that's the reason you can't do this. It's done. Clear? Clear, guys? See you tomorrow and we will discuss more thing and join tomorrow. I didn't got access. Please click the link. Please click the link which I keep on posting. Yeah, just one moment. Again, I'll post. Let me do it again. Let me do it again. Let's copy this one and paste here. This is the classroom and this would be the 1 second. Ahmed. Yes, Ahmed, please, what happened?
हेलो सर, एम आई ऑडिबल?
Yes, please go ahead.
एक्चुअली सर, मैंने आपसे रिक्वेस्ट की थी 3 दिन पहले बैच चेंज के रिगार्डिंग। आपसे मैंने बताया था, और सपोर्ट टीम में कोई भी मेरी कॉल पिक नहीं कर रहा है। मैं 3 दिन से 20-20 कॉल कर रहा हूँ, कोई भी मेरी फोन नहीं उठा रहा है, एक भी फोन ना। व्हाट्सएप पे रिप्लाई कर रहे हैं, वो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि प्लीज टॉक टू माई एडमिन, जो नंबर है 90000225 उस पर मैंने बहुत बार व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज किया, सारे मैसेज सीन हो रहे हैं, कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आ रहा है।
One
और
second, one
ईमेल,
second. Who, Ahmed, please repeat again.
सर जो नंबर है 90000225 उस
Hmm.
पे मैंने
Hmm.
बहुत दफा मैसेज किया
Ahmed,
व्हाट्सएप
wait,
पे,
wait, wait.
सारे।
Calm down, calm down. I already, as the new batch is forming, it will happen for first 1 day, 2 days like this. I will get back to them. I will get back to them. They will connect with you. You no need to worry. You trust me. Okay, Ahmed?
यस
Okay.
सर, आपको मैं आपके पिछले बैच में मैंने ज्वाइन किया था, जो बैच
Hmm.
7 बजे से था, लेकिन मेरी
Hmm.
ऑफिस की टाइमिंग की वजह से मैंने इसको
How
चेंज
many
करने के लिए
times you
आपसे।
explain this, Ahmed? I already know this. I already communicate to them. Okay.
यस सर, तो क्लासरूम में मैं ज्वाइन नहीं हूँ अभी, इस वाले क्लासरूम में प्लीज मुझे ज्वाइन करवा दीजिए।
Okay, let me speak with them. Okay, you have to, your name is not listed in, um, okay, probably the ad today. Calm down, guys. I already give the link, right, Ahmed? Are you see the link or not from me? Why not you add?
सर
See
अभी
this.
अभी मुझे लिंक मिला है, मैं ऐड कर रहा हूँ।
You can add it now. Then not right now. From 1 hour onwards, I'm sending the link, buddy. Why don't you add at the time?
सर मैं अभी ज्वाइन हुआ इस मीटिंग में, आधे घंटे पहले, क्योंकि
Finally, you've
मैंने
done it
दूसरे।
or not? Please done it. All right. Please do it. Okay, buddy. Let's check. Just calm down. Be patient. Let me know if you're not done. I will solve tomorrow. Today's program, Pratyusha, I will send tomorrow. Yes, Pratyusha? Okay. Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow. Just calm down. No need to worry. We'll discuss a lot of things. I will share the classroom tomorrow and you're going to practice. All right. Thanks. Interesting or not? Are you able to understanding all things, guys? Yeah, just give a quick friendly reply. Yes. I can. Pavan, I already shared this one, buddy. Go to the link. Can anyone help me? I already post 7 times from 1 hour. I will post tomorrow again and we'll discuss. Okay. All right, guys. No problem. No problem. Thank you so much. Have a great day. See you tomorrow, guys. Let's go back to my work. It's office time now. Thank you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Great job, guys. Shiva will discuss tomorrow. Okay. What happened? What is your questions? I will share my informations by tomorrow. Yes, Shiva. No need to worry. Yeah. Or any questions, you can post your questions in the classroom. I'll address you. All right. Thanks. Bye. Have a good day, guys. Bye bye.